Hi guys, in previous video I've made a change to my grub in order that my kernel uses DRM, and control, maybe it's still there, control alt F, and it is. So we've done this line, grub, this one, and we've added a line to it. So we maybe one back, thank you. Control find DRM, kernel mode setting. This is it. This is the thing we've added to the kernel, so via grub. How do I know that's successful? Well, I can go, most of the time I do this, Control T, and dmessage is certainly one of the good things, so sudo dmessage, and then normally people pipe it through something and then grab and all that, but I like it so much when from time to time I like this. I prefer this better if I really want to go in all the details, right? I really want to go through every letter. And then I do sublime dmessage, so I get my editor, and then I'll do control find, and I just did the search already. So initialized Nvidia DRM, blah, 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 on Miller, and then find previous, loading driver, he says down up here, and here we have what we started with, kernel, command, line, quiet, log level 3, output is 0, Nvidia DRM, mode set is 1, is true, false, true, so true in this case. So dmessage is 1. I haven't tried out the journal, so that's something I do as well, is also put it in a list, and then sublime, and then list. Again, via DRM, any information. Yes, we have here information. Find, next one is there. Boot image kernel. Then we move on, loading a driver. Okay, initialized. Now, so these two, in this case, there's not much difference, but in other instances with scripts running and services running, that this is more in detail. So use both of them, right? Use both of them, and you'll know that everything's okay. Is this now better? I don't know. I suppose I need to test this, right? Is this better if I enable DRM, or Direct Rendering Manager? Subsystem of Linux kernel, responsible for interfacing GPUs and modern video cards, and so on. You keep on reading, and in the end it's up to you to decide whether it's better or not, because it's your computer and every computer is different anyway. Alright, have fun.